We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Paladone 33 cm PlayStation Glitter Flow Lamp Night, a bedroom decor mood light designed for fans of the iconic PlayStation brand. If you already own this lamp, please leave your own review in the comments to help other shoppers make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The PlayStation Glitter Flow Lamp by Paladone is a decorative lighting piece that stands out for its instantly recognizable branding and playful design. Measuring 33 centimeters, or roughly 13 inches tall, this lamp features a polished plastic finish and a blue shade that glows when powered on. The base of the lamp displays the PlayStation logo, and inside the lamp, controller icons float within a glittery blue liquid, creating a dynamic visual effect that is especially appealing to gamers and collectors of pop culture memorabilia. From a technical perspective, the lamp is powered either by 3 AAA batteries or via a USB cable, though neither power source is included in the box. The lamp uses an LED light source, which is both energy efficient and provides a consistent, cool-toned illumination. The lamp is controlled by a touch switch, making it easy to operate from a desk, nightstand, or shelf. Its compact size and lightweight build, at just under 2 pounds, make it suitable for a variety of indoor spaces, including bedrooms, offices, gaming rooms, and even kitchens or man caves. The lamp is officially licensed PlayStation merchandise, which adds to its appeal for fans of the gaming platform. The product is marketed as a fun gift for people who enjoy unique and quirky decor, and it is part of a broader range of collectibles produced by Paladone, a brand known for its focus on pop culture and gaming-themed items. In terms of user experience, the lamp has received a generally positive response, with an average customer rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from over 2,200 reviews. Many users praise the lamp for its visual appeal, noting that it is absolutely love it, so pretty, and works great. The floating PlayStation icons and glitter are frequently mentioned as highlights, with several reviewers describing the lamp as cute and perfect for any PlayStation fan. The lamp's brightness is also appreciated, with some users noting that it provides the right amount of light to serve as a nightlight or mood lamp without being too harsh or overwhelming. However, the lamp is not without its drawbacks. One of the most common complaints concerns its power options. While it can be powered by batteries or USB, neither is included, and users report that the lamp consumes batteries quickly. Some users mention that the lamp eats batteries up, with a set of batteries lasting only a day or two with regular use. This can be inconvenient and costly over time, especially for those who intend to use the lamp frequently. The USB port, while a welcome alternative, is described as super wiggle, with some users experiencing issues where the lamp turns off and on unpredictably when powered via USB. There are also reports that the company would not replace lamps with faulty USB ports, leading to frustration for affected customers. Another recurring issue is the noise produced by the lamp's motor. The lamp contains a small motor that spins the glitter and icons inside the lamp, creating the signature flow effect. While this feature is central to the lamp's appeal, some users find the motor to be very loud. One user who has owned the lamp for nearly 2 years and uses it regularly reports that the noise is only tolerable when wearing soundproof headphones. For those who prefer a quiet environment, this could be a significant drawback, especially if the lamp is used as a nightlight or in a shared space. Durability is another area where user experiences vary. Several users report that their lamp has held up well over time, even with frequent use. For example, one reviewer notes that their lamp has been in use for nearly 2 years, running for several hours a day, and still functions as intended. On the other hand, there are reports of quality control issues, such as lamps that leak liquid, or have motors that fail shortly after purchase. One user describes a lamp that began leaking within 5 minutes of use, while another mentions that the spinner inside the lamp started and stopped intermittently, rather than spinning smoothly. These negative experiences, though not universal, suggest that there may be some variability in manufacturing quality. The lamp's design is a major selling point, especially for fans of PlayStation and gaming culture. The floating controller icons and blue glitter create a mesmerizing effect that is both nostalgic and modern. The lamp fits well in a variety of settings, from gaming setups to bedrooms, and its compact size makes it easy to place on a desk or shelf. The lamp is also lightweight and easy to move, adding to its versatility as a decorative piece. Despite its strengths, the lamp's reliance on batteries or a somewhat unreliable USB connection can limit its practicality for some users. Those who plan to use the lamp as a primary light source or for extended periods may find the frequent need to replace batteries or deal with a finicky USB connection to be a hassle. Additionally, the noise from the motor may be a deal breaker for those who value a quiet environment. In summary, the Paladone PlayStation Glitter Flow Lamp is a visually striking and fun addition to any gaming or pop culture themed space. Its officially licensed design, dynamic glitter effect, and compact size make it a popular choice for fans of PlayStation and those looking for unique decor. The lamp is easy to operate and provides a pleasant blue glow that works well as a nightlight or mood lamp. However, potential buyers should be aware of its limitations, including high battery consumption, occasional issues with the USB power connection, and the possibility of a noisy motor. Durability appears to be generally good, but some users have reported issues with leaking or malfunctioning units. Overall, the PlayStation Glitter Flow Lamp is best suited for those who value style and brand recognition over absolute functionality. It makes an excellent gift for gamers, collectors, and anyone who enjoys playful themed decor. If you are considering this lamp, be prepared for the possibility of frequent battery changes or the need to find a reliable USB power source. If you are sensitive to noise, you may want to consider how the motor sound might impact your enjoyment of the lamp. For many users, the visual appeal and fun factor outweigh these drawbacks, making the lamp a worthwhile addition to their space. We invite anyone who owns the Paladone PlayStation Glitter Flow Lamp to share their experiences in the comments. Your feedback can help others decide if this lamp is the right choice for them. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.